Hello, my friends. Welcome back. To those who I haven't met yet, my name is Jen Daly, and I am a clinical social worker and a family coach. And I've been making these videos every day during this COVID-19 isolation, social distancing, quarantining stuff to help you and your family, your kids and the grown-ups all get along together better, understand their feelings more, and have some fun. So today, I want to refer back to what we talked about yesterday about what's working and not working and how to go to work on that stuff that isn't working as well as you'd like it to within your family dynamic. The number one thing that the teenagers that I'm working with and talking to right now want to really get out of this time when we're quarantined at home is they really want to have a better relationship with their parents. The teenagers are saying that to me. The middle schoolers are saying that to me. The littler ones aren't, but of course they don't usually say things like that anyway. But I've been really taken aback that in my own coaching and therapy practice, what kids middle school and up mostly want is to have time as a family and have a stronger, closer, more comfortable, more agreeable family dynamic than what they currently have now. One of the things that almost everybody says is missing when I'm talking to them about their family communication dynamic or how they get to be together is everybody's missing a fundamental skill in how do you communicate with somebody in a straightforward way that lowers defenses and allows you to communicate what's working or not working for you and what would be helpful for you to do that. So it's sometimes called I statements. I call it the IFAB. It's something like that, but I'd like to teach it to you today, okay? Anybody can do this. I teach this to kids as young as 5, okay? So you have to scale up or down depending on the age, but it's the same way. Every 5-year-old knows how to see the word name and then write their name in it or know that their name's supposed to go. Maybe 6-year-old, but you get the idea. And so what it is it's a fill in the blank sentence completion communication device. So the first thing that you would do is write down, I feel blank about blank because blank. I need / want / it would be helpful if blank. And then you spend some time thinking about that and writing it down. One of the things we've been doing a lot at in my coaching right now is I feel blank about being home with my family because blank I need, want, or it would be helpful with. So let's do that all together right now. I'll use myself as an example, but I'd like you to take a moment, write down the blanks. This is what it kind of looks like, right? And then you would write it, I need, want, or it would be helpful if right down there. Okay? So take a moment and write that down. I feel blank about blank because blank. I need, want, or it would be helpful if blank. So, and we're talking about being home in a close environment with our family, basically without break. So I feel happy and irritated about being home with my family because while I'm really enjoying the slowing down pace of my life right now, I also am noticing that I'm getting irritated about things that don't really need I don't need to be irritable about. So I'm feeling happy and irritated about being in close confines with my family for an extended period of time because I'm enjoying our time together, but I'm also getting more irritable over little things that don't matter. So I need, want, or it'd be helpful with, helpful if. I need to continue focusing on the gratitude that I have about being home with my family and make sure I'm using my coping skills for irritability, like taking deep breaths, pausing, and coaching myself to let it go. Okay? So I'd like you to try this for yourselves. And I want you to notice something, that the I need, want, or it would be helpful if is not something that somebody else is doing. That's something that you can do and have control over for yourself. So that today is my family coaching tip for increasing your communication and making it more positive, healthy, and how to decrease defensiveness in your family during this time of being in close quarters. So if you would like more one-on-one coaching and help with your family, I'm now scheduling parenting through a crisis family coaching sessions, as well as virtual family playdates. And what you can expect from those virtual family playdates is we play family togetherness games. So, like the kinds of games I might play in a family session when everybody's all together that help create bonds and communication and have some fun together. If you'd like to do that, just follow along to my website, jendailylicsw.com, and you can book right there. Okay, everybody, thanks so much for coming, and I'll see you real soon. Bye-bye.